Hello guys, today I've got the VIVO X300 FE and I am going to show you how to use the screen recording option in your device. At first you need to scroll down to the control panel. Now once you're here you need to prolong it, and here we need to find the option, of course, called the screen record or record screen. As you can see, I have it here. If you don't see it here, you need to tap this pen icon. And now here, drag this, find actually at first this record, and drag this like this to the menu. Then the stick icon. And now, here as you can see, I have this record screen. If you hold your finger on it, you can see the settings of the record screen. You can enable or disable the display touch trajectory, enable or disable the record system audio, and enable or disable record microphone audio using just a simple tab, of course. Here as you can see, we've got picture quality. We've got high, medium, and low. What else here we have? Let me show you. Here as you can see, we've got recording progress and disturb. Mute folding notifications and ringtones or notification vibrations during screen recording. And here as you can see, we've got feature introduction. You can check what's here, but I don't really think that this is that important. Now you can tap start recording. Here now if we tap our dynamic island, we can see the details. We can pause, we can finish with this button. Here as you can see, we can draw on our screen to show something. And we can mute or unmute ourselves, but wait a moment. Here, this is a system sound, this is our microphone, and that's actually it. That's how to use it. Goodbye.